Hello guys, hello everyone. I welcome you back to our next video of IOQM 2022 solutions. So guys, let's start this question. Now we are to the end of the exam of 2022. Now in this video and the next video, we're going to see the 10 marker questions. There were two 10 marker questions, the last two, 23rd and 24th question. So today we're going to see the first 10 marker and you'll see guys, it's not that difficult of a question. It's quite an easy one. Let's see. Okay. It's a based on geometry, so not at all that difficult. 5 marker में हो सकता था rather ये, है ना? There were some 5 markers, as I told you in the previous video. कि previous 5 marker was rather difficult. Should have been in a 10 marker, right? So let's see. Here is the question, guys. Let's draw the diagram first. So let's read it first, guys. In a triangle ABC, the median AD divides angle BAC in the ratio 1:2. Okay. तो triangle में median जो है 1:2 में divide करता है. Okay. So we might have to draw it like this. Okay, just a second. तो guys ये median draw कर देते हैं. So just a second guys, we might have to draw it in a different manner. Okay, so guys this is a median. Okay, let's draw it like this. Okay, never mind. So A B C, so जो median है guys, angle को A को कैसे divide करें angle BAC को 1:2 में. Okay, so guys if this is alpha, the other angle is 2 alpha, right? The other one is going to be 2 alpha. Let's see like this. Okay, now it's given extend AD to E such that EB is perpendicular to AB. Okay, AB के perpendicular होना चाहिए. So इसको extend करते हैं something of this sort and connecting it with this like this. तो AD को guys E तक extend किया so that this angle is 90. Oh, I'm sorry. So that this angle is right angle. Okay, यही दिया हुआ है, perpendicular होना चाहिए. All right, ठीक है. Now given that BE is 3, okay, this length is 3 and BA is 4. तो guys अगर BA 4 है, BE 3 है, that gives us AE as 5 simply, है ना, by Pythagoras theorem, right? So that is 3 4 5 का Pythagorean triplet है. So AE is going to be 5. I will write it directly, right? I hope everybody understands. That is from Pythagoras theorem. 3 square 4 square का root, sum का root क्या होगा? 5 square. So guys we got कि AE की value क्या है? 5 है. The whole length AE is 5. Okay. तो guys जो ये अल्फा एंगल है, okay, we have to find the nearest integer nearest to BC square. Okay, तो kind of our job is to find the length of BC, right? तो guys हमें यहाँ से कुछ values का पता लग गया. ट्राइंगल ABC में, ABE में अल्फा का वैल्यू को पता लग गया ना. We know the triangle is ABE जिसमें sides 3 4 5 है, angle is alpha. So actually we can write the correct final angle. Alpha should be 37 degree, है ना? हमें पता है वो values 37 degree and 53 degree. But never mind, let's see. So we'll see if we need any of those values. ठीक है? So guys, how can we find the length of BC? There's an interesting way that we can use. In triangle ADC, guys, we can use a construction. Let's do a construction here. The construction is, let's draw angle bisector, or you can say draw bisector AF of angle DAC. हम DAC का गाइज एंगल बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ कर देते हैं बिकॉज 2 अल्फा एंगल है ना. तो गाइज अगर हमने इसको ड्रॉ कर दिया लेट्स से लाइक दिस, सो दिस एंगल इज अल्फा, दिस एंगल इज अल्फा एज वेल, राइट? और ये पॉइंट क्या हो गया हमारे पास? F. गॉट इट? नाउ गाइज हाउ डज दिस हेल्प अस? नाउ एक काम करते हैं गाइज, लेट अस assume हम will use angle bisector theorem. So guys we can assume that if AM की लेंथ m है, AD की, sorry, not AM, if AD is m and AC is n, let's say, right, these are the lengths, right? So guys if these are m and n, let's name it m, this is n. So guys by the angle bisector theorem, what does it state? कि जो एंगल बाइसेक्टर होता है सामने वाली साइड को, it divides in the same ratio as the side containing the angle, sides containing the angle, right? So what do we know from here? Since it's angle bisector, so what do we know? That df upon fc is going to be equal to ad upon ac, which is m by n, है ना? ये मालूम पड़ गया हमें, df is to fc is m by n, right? So the ratio is m ratio n. So what is going to be df? df की वैल्यू क्या होगी इसका मतलब? Can I say accordingly now? Can I say, let's say df is mx, let's say df is some mx, and fc can be assumed to be nx. Can I say this? तो guys total dc कितना हो गया इन दोनों का sum? The value of dc can be written as m plus n into x, right? Can I say this thing? dc is m plus n into x. And also guys, since ad was the median, bd is equal to dc, है ना? So the same dc is also equal to bd, right? So हमारे पास ये एक रिलेशन आ गया कि bd की वैल्यू पता है हमें, dc की भी पता है, m plus nx है. We'll see if it is somewhere it is going to be used or not. ठीक है? So guys, this concept is clear. So we made a construction, angle bisector draw किया हमने angle DAC का, and we'll assume the lengths of AD and AC to be m and n, and so DF की वैल्यू कितनी हो गई? mx. So let me write here, this is mx and FC is nx. Okay, so in the same ratio. So guys, now what we are going to do is we are going to use the property that the median divides the area of a triangle into two equal parts. So can I say guys, using this thing, can I say area of triangle ABD is going to be equal to area of triangle ADC? होगा, because AD is the median, it divides the base into two equal halves. So the area of the two triangles is the same because they have the common vertical, है ना? Common vertical angle. So what is area of triangle ABD? Let's use the sine rule of the area of the triangle. So that is half into product of the sides containing angle alpha. So AB into AD. So I'll write it once. So AB into AD into sine alpha, right? And what is area of triangle ADC? That is half into AD into AC into sine of 2 alpha. 2 alpha is angle in between the two sides, है ना? Half BC sine C, half AB sine C is the formula we are using for the triangle, है ना? From solution of triangles. So product of the two sides, half into product of the two sides into the sine of the angle containing the two sides. So guys, इसमें सबसे पहले तो हमने दिख रहा है AD cancel हो गया, half is getting cancelled. Now let's substitute the remaining sides. AB कितना है guys? That is 4. So let's put it here. Okay, let me solve here. So that is 4 into sine alpha. On the right hand side guys, what is AC? That is n into sine 2 alpha की वैल्यू कितनी है guys? 2 sine alpha into cos alpha, right? तो guys यहाँ पे what we can see is sine alpha भी cancel हो रहा है. And now all that is remaining is to put cos alpha. Cos alpha हमें मालूम है guys. We know the value of alpha because we know the triangle, right triangle alpha, right triangle जिसका angle alpha है और sides क्या है? 3, 4, 5 हैं, right? The sides are 3, 4 and 5. So let's substitute. 4 is equal to 2n into what is cos alpha guys? Look at it in this triangle. Triangle ABE में what is cos alpha? That is 4 upon 5. Right? I'll write here. What is the value of cos alpha? That is 4 upon 5 in the triangle with the sides 3, 4 and 5. Right? तो बच्चों यहाँ पे क्या मिल रहा है हमें? 4 and 4 is getting cancelled. So this gives us the side AC of the triangle guys. N की वैल्यू कितनी आ रही है देखो यहाँ से. We're getting the value of n as 5/2. So one important aspect हमें मिल गया है. तो n की वैल्यू 5/2 मिल गई guys हमें. Right? Now how do we proceed further? M कैसे निकालें? That's also an easy aspect. तो guys देखो, what we can do is in the triangle ABC. Now understand this thing. We don't need to do this. We don't need to find M. We can directly find BC. Right? How do we do that? ABC is the triangle. उसका angle क्या है? 3 alpha है ना? That is 3 alpha. So let us write the formula for cos 3 alpha. Simple. What is the value of cos 3 alpha? है ना? We know the formula is 4 cos cube alpha, right? What is cos 3 alpha? That is 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha, right? So let's find the value first. So 4 times what is cos cube alpha? That is 4 cube upon 5 cube minus 3 times cos alpha is again 4 by 5. ठीक है? So guys, if we take the LCM, 5 cube, that is 125. So first term is 4 power 4 basically, है ना? That is 4 power 4. How much is it? 2 power 8. So 256 minus 12. So that is 240. Sorry, not 12. That is 256 minus 25 into 4. That is 300. Right? तो बच्चों क्या मिला? Minus 44 upon 125. So that is the value of cos 3 alpha. Now, how do we use this cos 3 alpha to our advantage, guys? Now, simply use cosine rule. In triangle ABC, we can use the cosine rule because we know the angle. Cosine of the angle पता है हमें, क्योंकि angle A कितना है total? 3 alpha है. We know two of the sides, 4 and 5 by 2. We should be able to find the third side BC, right? That's it. So, guys, let me do this thing on the next slide. Okay. Let me get to the next slide. So now, guys, what we are going to use is cos 3 alpha. Cosine rule use करेंगे. Cos 3 alpha will be equal to according to the diagram. Okay, काम करते हैं guys. Diagram को next slide पे लेके चलते हैं. Okay, just wait a second. Okay, here is the diagram. All right. Now, guys, what is cos 3 alpha? Let's look at it carefully. So that is sum of the squares of the adjacent sides, AB square plus AC square, right, minus BC square upon 2 times AB and AC. So that is the cosine rule. Now we know all the values except BC square. So we'll find BC square from here, right? So what is cos 3 alpha? Minus of 44 minus 44 by 125 is equal to what is AB square? 4 square is 16 plus AC square is 25 by 4, right? Minus BC square whole divided by 2 times AC is 5. Okay, I'll write 2 times AB is 4 into 5 by 2. So you can cancel the various terms. So guys, 2 and 2 will cancel. This 5 will cancel this for 25. है ना? Anything else? We can multiply this 4 to the other side. So now let's multiply this 4. So guys, we'll get minus 176 upon 25, right? Equal to 16 plus 25 by 4 minus BC square. That's it. Now let's calculate BC square. (16 plus 25 by 4), guys, if you take the LCM, 16 into 4 is 64 plus 25, 64 plus 25, that is 89 by 4, plus next term will be 176 by 25. Now guys, of course the LCM will be 100, 25 into 4. So first we'll need to multiply 25 into 89. So how much is it? We'll have to calculate. Okay, so just wait for a bit. 25 into 9 would be 2002, like 2250 minus 25. So 2225 plus what is 176 plus 4 into 4. So 800. So 176 into 4. Just let me think about it a bit. That will be double करते हैं इसका simple. 352. So that should be 352, right? 352 का double 704. So guys, that is going to be 2229, right? 2000 2929, okay, 2929, okay, by 100. So guys, what is the length BC square value? BC square value is 29.29. That is what we are getting, and we need to find the integer nearest to BC square. So guys, the corresponding integer that is the nearest would be 29. And I will round down, not round up. The rounding down will be happening because 29.29 hai. So the final answer is going to be 29. So that's how it was to be done. So guys, some things we have done unnecessarily. कुछ चाहिए नहीं था इसमें. What I thought, m plus n x ये सब लिखने की जरूरत नहीं थी. All we need to understand was we could have just assumed side AD and AC. और एंगल बाइसेक्टर की तो प्रॉपर्टी का यूज भी नहीं हुआ इसमें कुछ, है ना? I don't think we have used it anywhere. No, right? So I have not used this angle bisector property anywhere. ठीक है? We could have done this thing from the formula directly, area से. ठीक है? I don't ठीक है. See, while solving, we don't know if that thing will be used or not. So I started off with like this. Okay, but yes, so the final answer is 29. So guys, I hope सबको ये question समझ में आ गया, right? I hope you guys like the method of solving. So guys, do post it in the comment box if you have done in some other way. Okay, please, you can comment it in the comment section. So I'll also like to see if you have done with some other method. I will also like to learn from it. All right, so that's it guys. We'll see you in the next video. I hope you guys understood this all. Okay, so very few days in the upcoming exam, so all the best for the upcoming exam. So we'll see you in the next video guys. Till then, take care and bye bye guys. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.